Hey guys, it's me Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut Explore video. We are also doing our Make It on Monday project, and today we are making this adorable little bunny treat box. Isn't it fun? Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on Sign In. On this page we're going to go all the way down until we come across Easter, then click on View All. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, we're going to type in the word bunny and then click on enter. And the project we are making is this one here. It is the bunny box. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring us up to preview window. Click on customize. All right, so you see we have the bunny box here. It is all grouped together. What I did is I'm going to right click on it, choose ungroup to separate the pieces. Because on the bunny box, they have this cutout right here. I don't want to have that cut out. So I'm going to right click on this and choose detach. Click on it again. Bottom right hand corner of design space, I'm going to click on contour. Then just click on that little piece there that I want to hide. And then click on the X to close that out. Now I want to take my left mouse button across the entire bunny. Right click on it again, and this time choose attach. So we have that piece here. So we have the black is going to go behind the bunny's face. The pink that's going to go behind the ears. And the white piece here, we don't need that. So I'm going to remove that piece. Upper right hand corner, I'm going to click on Make It. Cut this out with the table and put our box together. Alright guys, we are back. All of our pieces are cut out. The first thing I'm going to do is take the bunny and go ahead and finger press all the score marks just to get them started. And take my bone folder and go back over them. What I'm going to do now is take the pink. I'm using art glitter glue. I'm going to put the ears behind the white. There's many options here. You know, you can use the pink like I'm using. You can use really any color. You can also use a glittery color cardstock. Alright, get them on there. Make sure they're lined up. I'm going to go ahead and take the black piece for the face. Remember, I eliminated that back piece. If you want to, you can make a gray bunny, a chocolate bunny, and glue a pom-pom on the back side, or even a cotton ball. Alright, put that black piece in there. Alright, now what we want to do is take our bunny, we're going to glue the ears together. Okay, just bring them together, lining them all up. Alright, so now when you have your bunny like that, when you look at the box, you will see there's a slice mark on the right hand side. So you want to put this side down first. So I'm just going to kind of hold onto the ears and squish my bunny down a little bit. Then bring this over and put the ears through. There's one, and it's going to look all weird and wonky out of shape. It'll go back together. Just have to get the ears through them openings. Being careful you don't tear it. See, my bunny definitely looks like he's having a bad day, but trust me, it'll get better. Just pull the ears through. Okay, then just kind of straighten it back out again. And we're going to do the same thing for this side. So we're going to tuck this little piece under and bring the ears through this side. Again, kind of squishing the bunny down a little bit. What I like about this project, it requires a very little glue other than gluing the pink on the black. And I hate when I make a treat box and I have to give it to somebody and they have to take it apart to access the treats. In this case, I don't need to do that. Alright, so now we have this little flap. Now this flap is supposed to go inside there. I find it doesn't hold very well. So I'm just going to take a glue dot. Put a glue dot on the back end of this piece here. And then just bring this down. Like where it's supposed to go. And then just give it a pinch there to hold it in place. And then refold the bunny's ear down. Super cute. How adorable, right? Alright guys, there you have it, a very simple Make It on Monday project. Now if you want to receive all the pieces to make this box, go to my blog, leave me a comment, I'll pick out a winner tomorrow. Any questions guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching, have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.